Hello everyone. Thank you for coming and visiting my channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you love this content. I am Sarah Rasnick and I am all about healthy living made simpler and helping small business owners, especially women small business owners, thrive and live healthier and happier and just rock through every single day of their life. So it has been about 6 months since I received my Almond Cow machine, this little handy dandy thing that I use almost daily now, from my husband as a Mother's Day present. So I wanted to do an update since there was a lot of interest on this little machine. It has really been a lifesaver to me in my mostly paleo lifestyle. A few benefits that I can say is I've done the math and I used to spend roughly about $6 a week on plant-based milks. And so now I only have to buy the nuts or the things that I want to use in the machine to make the milk myself and then just filtered water and things. So I have saved in 6 months about $100. Now he brought the premium package, which comes with ingredients to help you make the milks and things like that. So I believe he spent about $250 to get this machine and some supplies with it and this little milk jug, which we'll talk about. And so I've already saved about $100 and this thing is not going anywhere. You cannot pry it from my hands. So I would like to share with you just how it works and how I make my milk. It has been a lifesaver because I cannot tell you how many times for a recipe I have needed some specific plant-based milk. And so I'm just sure to keep coconut shreds and organic almonds and organic cashews and things like that just in my pantry, so that all I need is to fill this to the fill line with water, and then I put whatever I'm making the milk out of. So I'm gonna make some almond milk. So really all it takes, y'all, it's so easy, is there is a little fill line and I just fill it up with almonds. I am an essential oil girl and I like me some lavender, and I also like Young Living has a vitality line that is ingestible, and so my kiddos like cinnamon milk now. It's a thing in our house. So I'll just put like 2 drops. That's all you need. Is pretty strong, directly on the almonds. And then if you prefer, my sweet sister-in-law made me homemade vanilla extract. Isn't she cute? She made the label and everything. Thank you, Haley. And I have the water in the container, so I am just going to eyeball it and pour a little bit of this in there. And then I just take the top, screw it on, put the top on the machine, line it up, and hit the little cow button on top. All right, there's 1 cycle. It goes through 3 cycles. 1 more cycle. All right, and we have milk. It is done. So then it came with this little handy dandy little cup thing that has a place for this. So I just take the top off and let it drip out. Put it in the cup so that it can sit on the counter. And then unplug it. And we have our cinnamon almond milk, y'all. That easy. No sifting, no anything. And then if you feel like making like a paleo style porridge, in the container, it'll drip everywhere. in the container is the pulp. So it's just ground up almonds and a little bit of cinnamon in there already. And you can just add some berries or some, my kids live on bananas, and you can just add that in and you have a breakfast or a little snack or whatever, like after school snack. So we can also, I love that I'm very particular about ingredients in our food, right? Like if I can't pronounce it, I don't really want to ingest it. And so I know exactly what is in this milk that I am feeding to my family and ingesting myself. My father passed away of cancer, and I've done my research, and I just don't, as much as I can do to avoid those kind of things, I'm going to, right? Amen. So I can change the flavors. I can add, you know, maybe some fruit rinds, like orange rinds or things like that, to make orange flavor, or add lemon oil or whatever I want, I can change and do. You can also make margaritas, mocktails, all kinds of things, and then you can even make ice cream with this thing. I haven't figured that out quite yet, but Almond Cow website does have instructions for that. Now, I do want to talk about this glass container that it comes with. It's branded, it's super cute, but it's really kind of hard to clean. You may or may not be able to see that there is some buildup on these corners. Almond Cow does sell a brush for this bottle. It's about $8. I haven't ordered it because I have to pay separate shipping, and that's just annoying to me. So I have been using this deal that I got from Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, probably about $8 to $10. And I can just pop this in the dishwasher and it cleans out, and it doesn't have like the weird sediment that's on the side. So, and like I said, it just makes that paleo life or vegetarian life, non-dairy life, that much easier, because in my experience for our family, dairy is no bueno. It increases our mucus. It is just not good in our house. So I try to avoid it as much as possible. So I hope this has helped. I love this thing, and I feel like it has definitely saved us a ton of money, and it's super easy to maintain. Now all I have to do is just rinse it out and dry it out with a towel and put it in the pantry for the next time I use it. I just love it. I highly recommend it. This is not a sponsored video. It's just me letting you know because I had a lot of interest in when I unboxed it. So be sure to like, subscribe if this has been a helpful video, ask questions, let me know where you're tuning in from, and come back here for all of your health and wellness and paleo needs. And if you are a fellow momtrepreneur, check out my Momtrepreneurs networking group over on Facebook. I will put a link to everything below, and also if you want to order your very own Almond Cow, I have a $10 off link for you that I will post down below in the description. So have a wonderful day, guys. Live healthier and happier every single day, and show up for yourself in the best way that you can. Bye-bye, guys.